아, 참, 내일 모레가 추석이에요.
해피 추석! 해피 추석! 해피 추석!
추석 잘 보내세요.
추석 잘 보내세요. 아들 추석 잘 보내. 우리 식구들 한가위 되세요. 모두들 한가위 되세요.
추석 잘 보내세요.
추석 잘 보내세요.
복 많이 받으세요.
해피 땡스기빙!
Many Asian countries, we joyfully celebrate Thanksgiving on the full moon day of August 15th in the lunar calendar. This vibrant holiday is a time to honor the harvest season with deep gratitude, heartfelt family gatherings, and festive celebrations, giving thanks for the abundance of nature's blessings. It's a special moment to reflect on all we have and come together in appreciation for the season's gifts.
해피 추석.
Chuseok, also known as the Korean Thanksgiving Day, is a time of deep gratitude and reflection. As one of the most important holidays in South Korea, families gather to honor their ancestors, share meaningful meals, and celebrate the harvest. With full hearts, we extend our heartfelt wishes to all our friends and family around the world, thankful for the connections we cherish.
해피 추석.
Let's go. Feel the rhythm in your soul. We're dancing, we're grooving. Losing all control. In the starlight, we shine like stars up in the sky. K-pop music, taking us so high.
With full hearts, we extend our warmest wishes to all our friends and family around the world, deeply thankful for the connections we cherish. Filled with this gratitude, we set out on a beautiful hike along the Waterdown South Trail in Ontario, Canada. Come along and join us on this special journey.
Electrifying beats, moving to the sound. The crowd is jumping up and we're breaking new ground. Soulful melodies, taking us to the right.
아직 제대로 안 나온다. 그럼 못 나온다.
Dream.
The multiple names for this hiking trail. One of popular name is the Smoky Hollow Falls, also known as Grindstone, Waterdown, or Great Falls. They all describe the same beautiful ribbon waterfall in its leafy forest setting that flows from Grindstone Creek in Waterdown.
Let's go. Feel the rhythm in your soul. We're dancing, we're grooving. Losing all control. In the starlight, we shine like stars up in the sky. K-pop music, taking us so high.
Let's talk about Smoky Hollow Fall. At 10 meters tall, this isn't the area's biggest waterfall, but this short and fast-flowing waterfall is surrounded by a great section of the Bruce Trail. It has a rugged footpath tracing its way up and down the ravine formed by Niagara Escarpment.
Here we are taking a break, having a snack and say thank you.
This Innsmoke Hollow waterfall, also known as Grindstone Falls, Waterdown Falls, or Great Falls, stretching a long stream to the Lake Ontario. The water is crystal clean. It provides the Mother Nature's powerful love to rejuvenate our spirit. Someone says the Smoky Hollow was named, not from the gentle mists rising up from the river in the early morns, but from the smoke shooting up in the air from the mills. In colonial times, mills were the key to successful settlements. They were located on the banks of rivers using the water for power. In this case, the steep gradient of Grindstone Creek meant it generated an enormous amount of power. It's hard to imagine the waterfall as an industrial site, grinding grain and belching clouds of dust into the sky. It was brisk at the viewing platform, with hikers coming up or going down in the valley. A couple sunbathed near the base of the falls on the massive slabs of rocks.
We wish you all happy Thanksgiving who celebrated.
추석 잘 보내세요.
추석 잘 보내세요. 아들 추석 잘 보내. 우리 식구들 한가위 되세요. 모두들 한가위 되세요.
추석 잘 보내세요.
추석 잘 보내세요.
복 많이 받으세요.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you for the laughter, thank you for the tears.